AI, the future of thumbnail creations. Now, if you'd like to learn a little bit more about that, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry, I'm from Product Creation Formula, and here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to better help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Now before we get started, we really should probably choose a title to put into the AI thumbnail maker. So what we need to do is go here in ChatGPT, and I put down here, please write a list of 20 thumbnail titles for YouTube that are 6 words long about AI content creation and digital product creation. Do not use the word design. Make them like questions that need to be answered. Now, if you have a look down here, I've got number 9. I like this one. Can AI help you create ebooks? So I'm just going to quickly copy that. We're going to go straight over to the AI thumbnail maker. So I'm just going to click on that. Now, I've already signed in, as you can see. And to be able to make this work, all you really need to do is add a title, pick a catchy template, and download it. It really is as simple as that. Now, we're just going to go here, generate thumbnail, and then when that comes up, you've got the option to put your main title in here and a secondary title. So we're just going to put in here a main title. I'm going to put that in there, and then we're going to hit generate thumbnail ideas. Now this one here, I'm not using the secondary. I choose not to in this case. So let's just go generate thumbnail, and we'll see what it comes up with. As you can see, it's currently thinking, and it will only take a moment. Can AI help you create ebooks? Now, let's have a look over here what we have. Now over here, you've got your title. You also, if you want to, you can add a subtitle here. And let's have it here. Let's just go some gobbledygook and see what it comes up with and see how it looks. Okay, so that's what it looks like. You can also delete that so it gets rid of it. There we are. Now, over here, you can change the font color if you wish to. And over here, let's just choose the font. And we'll click on the font color here. We're going to click on that, and we can make it any color we want. I'm going to make that bright yellow and take that up to the very top. And you don't have to keep it like that. It can also be black if you wish to. It is up to you how you want to do it. You can make it any color you want. It really is your choice. I'm going to be making that one. Actually, I'm going to change the color to white. Yeah, no, I'm going to leave it black. That's fine. Okay, so another thing you can do is you can also change the font style as well. You click on that, and then you choose font. And let's choose, say, for example, Impact. See what that's like. Yeah, not liking that too much. Let's try Arial. Yeah, okay, that's not too bad. So let's go over here and have a look at the different types of themes we have. You've got this particular theme here, then you have this one here, and you can go through and have a look at the different kinds of themes. Now, you don't have to keep that background because that background makes no sense whatsoever right now when it comes to choosing what you want to do. You want to have something more like this, which is AI based. You can see that this is a robot, and it makes far more sense to have something that is going to be more understandable about what you're actually talking about. Now, if you wish to, you can also choose, say, for example, this one here. Oh no, that's way too busy. So let's go over here and write down the word robot. And this one here says background, so you just choose that, and then you hit go, and you just wait for a moment and let it do its thing. Now we can go through here and have a look at the different kinds of things they have on offer. What's this one here? Okay, so, oh yeah, a robot leg kicking a soccer ball. That one we've already seen. What's this one? Oh yeah, this one here is about a robot looking like they're doing something online. That's good. That might be relevant. What's this one? A woman looking. Well, no, that's not too nice. We also have this one here, which I do like, and we can also use this one here. Oh, that's nice. I might actually keep this one here because this is really nice. Now I might choose a different theme. I particularly like this theme because it just seems to just fit it nicely. So we can go like this. Now let's change the font. Click on that. Go over here. I'm going to change the font to, say, Arial. And then over here, click on that. And we're going to change the color to maybe a bright yellow so as it stands out. That's nice. Okay, now I want to be able to add my own image in here. You can do that. But before we do that, let's have a look at what else you can do. Let's go here. You can also choose to add some shapes if you wish to. You can go here. They have a very basic amount of shapes just here. But if you wish to use those, you can. Now they also have over here a place where you can upload your own image if you wish to. You got my uploads, ones you've already uploaded, and then you have here search for pictures. Now the search for pictures is their own particular library. Now let's say for example you want to have something about robots. And you can hit search, And all you have to do is hit insert whichever one you want to do. Let's hit insert with this one. And there we have it. We've got these little fellas here who can be part of the image. Now, if you want to get rid of that, let's get rid of these shapes. If you want to get rid of that, all you have to do is click on that and then hit delete. You can also add an outline around the image if you wish to. You can also make the image bigger, or you can remove the background. So let's just go there and we'll hit that and get rid of it. Okay, now with that being said, we also probably need to choose what style we're going to be doing. You also have different styles you can use. You can choose the YouTube style. You can also choose this one here for Instagram, and this one here, which is a vertical one that can be used as for anything that you requires vertical, like for example shorts. So I'm going to keep it at this one. And another thing we're going to do is I'm going to add another image. So I'm going to bring this down to here. I'm going to click on that, and we're going to go to upload image, and I'm just going to go choose an image. I'll be right back. Okay, so I found an image. I think I might choose this one here, and I'm just going to click on, actually I might even choose this one here. Click on this one here, double click on that. There we are. Now I can put myself in that image just there, shrink that up. Because it's already transparent, I can make it like that. Bring that in. There we have it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shrink the screen down a little bit so I can actually see what's going on. Bear with me 1 second. So crop section. There we have it. Now we're going to be here, upload picture. We can go there and we're just going to be uploading that picture. In just a moment, once that picture is uploaded, we can then choose it to go straight into our image. And in just a moment, it will come into our image and we can then use it. There we are, there I am. Now I'm just going to try and move myself over here a little bit. There we are. And of course, I can grab hold of it and extend it out. By grabbing hold of that little line just there, I can now make that bigger and bring it over here so as you can actually see what it looks like. You can tell it's my image, you can tell it's my video. We can put it here. It really is up to you how you want to do it. Now, can you bring to front and bring to back? Yes, you can. You can make sure that if you want this one to come to the very front, you can now hit front. And if I wanted to, I'm going to hit front. This one here wants to bring the front. There we go. I'm going to keep bringing that one to the front till it becomes all the way to the front. There we go. Now, if I wanted to, I could put it here and I could move this one anywhere I want. Maybe I could just shift it over for a change just to see what it's like. Okay, now what we can also do is we can now download it, but we have to save it before we do that. Let's hit save. There we go. And now once we do that, we can now download it. But before we do, I just want to show you something very quickly. I'm going to make the screen a bit bigger again. Now let's go down a little bit and scroll down to here. You can see where it says here, thumbnail by ahref, and then equals. We can put this into wherever we're putting it. Now, say, for example, we have it on our website. We can add it to a website. But you want to, if you just wanted to do this, you can go thumbnail by, and then you just add the link. You don't put the entire thing in there, because if you go to try and put this into the description box, it won't be accepted. It might get accepted if you put that in the comment section. I'm not sure, but I would think that it's probably better to just keep that link just there on its own, and then just go thumbnail by, and then just put the thumbnail.ai, thumbnail maker, and just leave it at that. So this is thumbnail.ai. As you can see, it is completely free and super easy to use. Now, another thing you can also choose as well is you can choose an individual background color if you wish to. The background color can just be a plain color if you want to, and that's an easy thing to do. You can choose whatever you want. So let's go back to here. Now, all we have to do is save it, then hit download, and we are right to go. All right, guys, it is as simple as that. Now, if you found some value in this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below. I absolutely love answering comments. I just also let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.